In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can transfer photos from an Android phone to a laptop or computer. It really is pretty simple, and we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first step is by using a cable, because that is by far the fastest and most reliable method. So connect your Android to your computer by using a charging cable. Just plug one into your Android phone and the other into your laptop or PC. If your laptop only has like USB-C and your cable doesn't match, you may need a USB adapter. But essentially, once connected, go ahead and unlock your Android phone, and you might see a pop-up asking for permission. Hit allow, swipe down from the top of your screen, tap the USB notification, and select file transfer or transferring files, and leave your phone unlocked during the transfer. Now, to actually import your photos, what you're going to want to do is hit search down at the very bottom and type in photos, just like so, and go ahead and open up the Photos app. Once you're in this section right here, you just have to find import up in the top right. Select this, hit your Android device, and now you can go ahead and choose all of your photos or just choose specific ones and then hit import and you're good to go. Your photos will now begin the transfer to your process. Just make sure that you go ahead and leave your phone plugged into your computer the entire time that you do that. It really is as simple as that. Your photos are not going to be safely transferred to your laptop or PC. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.